Hello class, today's topic is paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting is used to change the appearance of one or more entire paragraph like alignment, indent, line spacing, paragraph spacing, border, etc. So this is the definition. Now I will explain you in simple and easy way. As the topic is paragraph formatting, means when we apply the formatting, that formatting is applied to the entire paragraph. If you want to apply the formatting to more than one paragraph, then you have to select those paragraphs. And if you want to apply the formatting only to one paragraph, then you just have to click in that paragraph and the formatting will be applied. So means if you want to we want to change the appearance of the entire paragraph. For this purpose we use paragraph formatting. There are different topics in it. The first topic is alignment. Then what is alignment? Alignment means how the text will display between the margins is known as alignment. Means let me explain to you. Now for example, here some paragraphs are written here. So this paragraph, as you can see, is starting from the very left hand side. Means it is starting from the left margin and the text is coming till the right margin. But as you will notice, in the third line the text is just ending till here. Means this paragraph contains a left alignment. Left alignment means text will be even from the left side, but it will be even from the right side. So this type of the alignment is known as left alignment. There are four types of the alignment, that is left alignment, align the text from the left side, right alignment, align the text from the right side, center alignment. Center alignment means align the text horizontally and equally from the left and right side. The next is justify alignment, aligns the selected text or paragraph from both the sides. Now I will explain you how we can change this alignment. By default all paragraphs are having the left alignment in this. Now I will change it one by one. There are different ways for changing the alignment. Number one, with the help of the formatting toolbar. This is formatting toolbar. On the formatting toolbar, we are having these alignment buttons. Left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and then the justify alignment. So first paragraph is left aligned. Now I have clicked in the second paragraph and I am clicking on the center alignment. Now this second paragraph is centered aligned. Here you can notice that each and every line of the paragraph is in the center with respect to the margin. Now to the third paragraph, I am giving right alignment. As I have clicked on the right alignment button, now the paragraph is even from the right hand side, but it is uneven from the left hand side, as you can see in this example. After this, justify alignment. Justify alignment means the paragraph will be it will be equal from both the sides. Alignment will be same from both the sides. Now justify alignment. So here the text is even from the left side as well as from the right hand side. So this is the first method for align the paragraph. Now I will explain you the next method. Second method is that just click in a paragraph in which you want to change the alignment. Go to the format tab and select the option alignment. Then four options will be displayed to you and you can select any one of the value from here. So this is second method. Now third method. Click at the format menu, select the option paragraph, then paragraph dialog box will display on the screen. In this there is a tab alignment. As you click on the alignment tab, four options are there. That is left, right, center and justify. You can select any value from here. Fourth method, keyboard shortcut. You can use keyboard shortcut also for align the paragraph. For left alignment, the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+L. Center alignment, Ctrl+E. Please remember it is not Ctrl+C because Ctrl+C is for copy. So for center alignment, Ctrl+E. For right alignment, Ctrl+R. And for justify alignment, Ctrl+J. So by using any one of these methods, the paragraph can be aligned. After this, the next topic which we are having is indent. Extra space for a line or paragraph is known as indent. There are three types of the indent in TriploWriter. Before text, that is a left indent. after text, that is a right indent, and first line indent. Now I will explain you what is this, that how you can easily understand this. Now take this example. In this paragraph we are not having any indentation. Means that the paragraph is starting from the very left margin and the text is coming till the right margin. Now I will change the alignment of these paragraph one by one. So first paragraph does not contain any alignment, and now I will give the alignment to this. Indentation. For applying the indentation, click at the format menu, then select the option paragraph. The first tab is given for indent and spacing. Click on it. Now there are two main options here, that is before text, after text. Before text means left indent. So here I am changing the value to 1 centimeter, and now you can see the example, or 1 or 2, whatever the value you want. Accordingly the paragraph will be indented. Then click on the OK button. Now you will notice the paragraph is indented from the left side from the margin. Okay, now to the second paragraph I want to apply another formatting, that is click at the format menu, paragraph, indent and spacing. Now this time I am giving after text, means right indent by 2 centimeter. So here the second paragraph is having indentation from the right hand side. So that is after the text. To the third paragraph I want to apply the indentation from both the sides. That is before the text, for example 1 centimeter and or 2 centimeter, I am just changing so you can easily differentiate it, and then after the text 2 centimeter. Now this paragraph will be indented from both the sides. In MS Word we call it double indent. Okay, so that is indentation from the left side as well as indentation from the right side. Now to the last paragraph I am giving first line indent. As the name is first line, means the indentation will be applied only to the first line of the paragraph. So you can see the example over here. Again I am explaining. So here I have given left indentation, first paragraph. To second paragraph I have given right indentation. To third paragraph I have given double indentation, and to the fourth paragraph I have given first line indentation. So this way we can change the indentation in our document. After this, the next topic which we are having now is paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing means that the paragraph spacing makes the document more readable. Though without the spacing you can write the paragraph, but then it will be difficult to that document does not look nice. Now look over here. Here I have not given spacing in between the paragraph. Only the text is next new paragraph is starting from a new line. So but if we apply the spacing in between the paragraph, then it is more readable. Now I will explain you how we can do this. If you want to apply the formatting to only one paragraph, then just click over there, and if you want to apply the formatting to all the paragraphs, then you have to select it. So here I am selecting all the paragraphs. After selecting, go to the format menu, select the option paragraph, then indent and spacing paragraph will display on the screen. There is an option spacing. It is given here above paragraph and below paragraph, means how much space you want above the paragraph and below the paragraph. Here I am just giving only above, means I want is 1 centimeter space before the or above the paragraph. Click on OK button, and now you can see the difference. 1 centimeter above the paragraph. For every paragraph, space is provided according to the option that I have selected. Now after this paragraph spacing, we are having another option, and that is line spacing. It is used to fix a space between two or more lines in a paragraph. By default, single line spacing is there, but generally the other option which we use is 1.5 line spacing and double line spacing. Now I will explain you in this paragraph. By default, the paragraphs are having single line spacing, as we are having all in these paragraphs. Now I will change the spacing over here, line spacing here. Click at the format menu, select the option paragraph, then there is an option line spacing. Click on the down-headed arrow and select the option 1.5 lines. Click on the OK button, and then formatting is applied. As you can see it here we are having single line spacing. Now the spacing between the lines of the paragraphs are changed, and now here we are having 1.5 line spacing. Now to the third paragraph, I want to apply double line spacing. So just click in this paragraph, go to the format menu, paragraph, and then line spacing, and then select the option double. So the spacing between the lines will be double. As you can see it over here, single is line spacing, then 1.5 line spacing, and this paragraph contain double line spacing. Okay, after this, the next topic we are having after this is a border. Sometime we want to make our paragraph different from the other text. For this purpose, we can apply different types of the border or to make the document attractive. Now here we are having different paragraphs. This paragraph does not contain any border right now, so I will apply the different types of the border to this. If you want to apply the border to a paragraph, then you first have to click in that paragraph, or just you can select the paragraph, does not make any difference. Click in the format menu, select the option paragraph. Here the last tab is given for the border, so click on it. Here it is given the line arrangement, means where you want to display the line for this paragraph for the border. Here it is given set no border, then set all 4 borders, then set left and right border, means the border will display only at the left and right side. The next is set top and bottom borders only, means the border will be there at the top and bottom. And the last is set left border only, the border will display at the left hand side. This area is a preview area. At this time now I am selecting the option set all 4 border, means the border will display at all the 4 sides. Second option which we are having here is a style. Here there are different types of the lines are given and their thicknesses. We can select any style from this list. Now thin line, thick lines, single line, double lines, whatever you like. Here I am just taking a simple example, so I have selected this line. Now after this is spacing to contents, means how much space should be there in between the border and the text. By default it is 0.05 centimeter. If you want to change, it can be changed. The next is the color. Whatever the color you like, select that particular color. And then after this we are having shadow options, means do you want to display any shadow? The first is no shadow, then cast shadow to the bottom, then cast shadow to the top right. Accordingly you can select one of the option. Then how much distance will be there and what will be the color of the shadow. Even you can change this. Here I am not changing, I want the gray color only, so find gray color. And then click on the OK button and the border will be applied. Here you can see color, the thickness, the color or the border, that is the shadow of the border, whatever the option I have selected, it is applied according to this. In this way, for the second paragraph I want to give some different border, so click at the format, paragraph, then border tab in this, then selecting here the top and bottom border only. So border will be displayed only at the top and the bottom. Here I want to change the line style. Here I have changed this double line styles, and after, because these option you can see it is dim light right now because we are applying only top and bottom. After this shadow, yes, this time I want shadow towards the right side, so this option I have selected. I want to change the shadow to also to yellow color. I have changed the color of the shadow and click on the OK button. So this border is applied here. Here you can see the border is given only at the top and to the bottom. So that's all for today, students. Here we have completed this. Thank you. Okay, some assignment questions, students. Question number 1, what do you mean by paragraph formatting? Number 2, what are the different ways to align a paragraph? Here you just have to write down about what are the different methods with the help of which alignment can be done. Number 3, name some paragraph formatting. Here you just have to write the names only, that what are the different types of the formatting that we can apply. Thank you.